This happened during heavy rain. A dog was trapped below the street inside a storm drain. The water was rising, cold, fast. No one noticed at first. People walked past, cars drove by. No one stopped. Down there, he was slipping, trying to stay above the water, getting weaker then. Everything went quiet. We heard him just in time. The metal grate was heavy. Our hands were wet, but we lifted it. We reached down, pulled him out. He was soaked, shaking, but alive. He didn't fight. He didn't run. He looked at us and trusted us instantly. Now he's safe, warm, cared for. If we were a little later, tomorrow, no one would have known he was ever there.